Okay, well, you guys all know about my fondness for use of the mouse. I wanted to give a trick of the trade to those of you who are not power users of your computers, but it's a real time saver. It keeps us off the mouse if we can. But the idea of using your tab key on your keyboard to move quickly through cells or form fields on any in the Illustrator environment, on the web when you're moving through web-based forms, assuming that it's been designed correctly, this should be a feature you can use across many applications in your computer. So in lesson 6, we are asked to edit the swatch for the stroke color on page 183, and I just wanted to exemplify this functionality for you. So I'm going to go up here to the swatches palette, and I'm going to, as the activity requests me to do, I'm going to click on the swatch called Label Background Stroke, and it opens up what's called the Swatch Options dialog box, and it shows me that right now if I was to enter anything on my keyboard, I would edit over the existing file name. So we'll call it Label Background Stroke again, but you just saw that in action. So I want to go to the next field. Actually, I need to edit those CMYK values. Well, I can take my hand off my keyboard and go over to my mouse and get my mouse oriented to where I need it to be and click and then click and then click. But the much more efficient way to do this is to use my tab key. So I'm going to say tab, which takes me to the process color option, at which point I could use my arrows to navigate up and down on this menu. And then I could go to the global option and I can, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. But let's try this again. Okay, I'm going to unclick global. I'll go from process and I'm going to hit my tab key, go to global, bypass that. I don't need to do anything there. Stay at CMYK, but if I wanted to change it, I could move through all the different web color models that are within the application. And then the next tab that I do is to the cyan value field, which is the textbook on the bottom of page 183 is telling me I want to populate 2, next field 15, tab, next field 71, tab, next field 20, tab to preview, no thanks, cancel, no thanks. Let's hit OK. To seal and enter without using the mouse, I hit my Enter key. All right, so we use our tab key to move between values in any sort of form environment on our computers. And when we have the option of a dialog box asking us to confirm something, typically you can use your Enter key to say yes rather than mousing over and hitting Enter. Hope this is useful to you.